Local chicken breeds versus broilers, exploring the pros and cons. When it comes to poultry farming, one of the key decisions farmers face is whether to raise local chicken breeds or broilers. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, making it essential for farmers to weigh their options carefully. In this post, we'll delve into the pros and cons of raising local chicken breeds versus broilers to help you make an informed decision for your poultry farming venture. Advantages of local chicken breeds. 1. Adaptability. Local chicken breeds are often well adapted to their environments, making them more resilient to local weather conditions, diseases, and other environmental factors. They require less intensive management compared to broilers. 2. Heritage and cultural value. Local chicken breeds often have deep-rooted cultural significance and heritage. Many farmers and consumers appreciate the unique characteristics, flavors, and traditional values associated with these breeds. 3. Natural reproduction. Local chicken breeds are known for their ability to reproduce naturally. They can brood and hatch eggs without requiring artificial incubation, reducing the need for specialized equipment. 4. Economic sustainability. Raising local chicken breeds can contribute to economic sustainability by supporting local biodiversity, preserving traditional farming practices, and reducing dependence on commercial poultry imports. Disadvantages of local chicken breeds. 1. Slow growth rate. Compared to broilers, local chicken breeds generally have slower growth rates and reach market weight at a later age. This can impact production efficiency and time to market. 2. Lower meat yield. Local chicken breeds typically have smaller body sizes and lower meat yields compared to broilers. This may affect profitability and market competitiveness, especially in areas with high demand for meat products. 3. Limited market demand. While there is a niche market for local chicken breeds, the overall demand may be lower compared to broilers, which are favored for their rapid growth and higher meat production. Advantages of broilers. 1. Rapid growth. Broilers are specifically bred for rapid growth and efficient meat production. They reach market weight in a relatively short time, making them suitable for commercial meat production. 2. High meat yield. Broilers have larger body sizes and higher meat yields compared to local chicken breeds. This makes them more attractive to consumers and profitable for commercial poultry farms. 3. Consistent performance. Broilers are bred for uniformity and consistent performance, making them easier to manage in large-scale poultry operations. They require standardized feeding and management practices for optimal results. Disadvantages of broilers. 1. Health concerns. Due to their rapid growth and high meat production rates, broilers may be more prone to health issues such as skeletal problems, heart conditions, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Proper management and monitoring are crucial. 2. Dependence on inputs. Broilers require specialized feeds, housing, and management practices to achieve optimal growth and performance. This can lead to higher input costs and reliance on commercial poultry inputs. 3. Limited genetic diversity. The selective breeding of broilers for specific traits has led to limited genetic diversity within commercial broiler strains. This can pose challenges in terms of disease resistance and adaptability to changing environments. Conclusion. Both local chicken breeds and broilers have their unique advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between the two depends on factors such as market demand, production goals, environmental considerations, and cultural preferences. Some farmers may opt for a hybrid approach, combining the benefits of local breeds with the efficiency of broilers. Ultimately, successful poultry farming requires careful planning, proper management practices, and a thorough understanding of the strengths and limitations of each poultry breed. By weighing the pros and cons, farmers can make informed decisions that align with their farming objectives and market dynamics.